chefs, welcome back to my channel. This is YourMayores. So today we're going to make spicy garlic buttered shrimp. But before that, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button to notify you for the new updates. And I want to thank you to the very handsome man who requested this garlic buttered shrimp, Teddy Abad Rapsing. He is a junior, so you can subscribe to his channel and watch his comedy videos. For sure you will have fun and your day will be complete because of his video. So let's go guys, let's go cooking. Are you ready, sexy chefs? Gora na!
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.